Hello class 8. In today's class, in chapter 8, we are going to discuss the programming question answer. The first question is write a program to input a number and print its cube. So we have to input a number and print its cube. Cube means power 3. So in this program, we'll be using the method math.pow. Math.pow function will use to find the cube of the number. So let us write the program in BlueJ. Class name cube. Type the class name. Class is created. Open. First line. Import java .util .scanner. These are the common line we write in all the program. Public class cube. The next line will be method line. Public static void main. Public static void main string args. String args. Okay. Now create the scanner object. Scanner ob equal to new scanner system.in. Alright, these are the common lines. Semicolon. So we have created the scanner object ob. Now next part, we have to enter a number, give a message. To enter a number, system out println enter a number. Enter a number. Okay. Just semicolon. Int n equal to ob dot next int. Next int method will be used to input a number. Now we have entered the number. Now find a cube. The double. We are going to use math.pow function. So return data type is double. So double cu equal to math.pow function n power 3. How will write n comma 3. Okay. Now printing part, system dot out dot println cube equal to plus cu. Close. So you have typed the program. According to question, we have entered a number n. Using the math.pow function, we have found the cube and printed the cube. Compile the program. No syntax error. Close. Right click. Void main. OK. Now enter a number. Suppose number is 2. The cube of 2 is 8.0. Again enter a number. Suppose 9. The cube of 9 is 9 into 9 into 9, 729. So this was our question number 1. Now let us see question number 2. What is question number 2? Write a program to input a number and print its square root. This time question is asking to input a single number and print its square root. Okay. So again open the BlueJ. New class name square root. SQURE. Square root. Class is created. Now first we have to input a number. So what we'll do, we'll just copy some lines from the last program and we'll modify there only. Copy. Close. Square root. First line. We have to import the util package. To import java.util.scanner. Okay. Now what you have copied, just paste it here. Now enter a number is command line, and what you have to find out, you have to find out the square root of the number. To double square root SR equal to mat dot, instead of power function we'll use the sqrt function. Sqrt function is used to find the square root of the number. Square root. Now square root equal to n. Square root equal to plus SR. Okay. Now question was to write a program to input a number and print its square root. See the answer. We have entered a number n, and using the mat.sqrt function we are finding the square root of n, and output is coming square root equal to SR. Compile the program. Import java.util, L is missing here. Okay, compile. No syntax error. Close. Right click. Void main. Okay. Now enter a number. Suppose 9. The square root of 9 is 3.0. Again, input another number. Suppose 100. The square root of 100 is 10.0. So this program calculates the square root. Now let us see question number 3. Last question of today's class. Write a program to input a number and print the cube of its square root. So first program will find out the cube, and first it will find out square root, and we have to find out the cube means power 3 of that square root. So we'll input a number, and first we will find the square root, and in that only we will find the cube of the square root by using the POW function. Okay, let us do it. Yes, we can copy some lines from the last program, so no need to type again. New class, square root cube. Class name square root cube. Square root cube created. Now next line will be the import line. The util package, import java.util.scanner. Alright. Now we have to input a number. Let's just paste the. So enter number is already there. Int n equal to ob.nextInt, and double src. Double src. SR for square, C for SR for square root, and C for the cube. The mat dot power function will use. Mat dot power bracket, and in it we'll write math dot sqrt of n comma 3 comma 3. Okay. So what this will do? Now see this inner part, mat.sqrt. Mat.sqrt, this part will find out the square root of the number, and mat.pow, mat.sqrt n comma 3 will find out the cube of that sqrt square root and print the cube of the square root. Cube of its square root equal to src. src. Okay, done. So according to the question, we have entered the number, found the square root, and we have found the cube of this square root. Now compile. No syntax error. Close. Right click. Void main. Okay. Now suppose number is 81. 81. The cube. What is the square root of 81? 9.0. The cube of 9.0. 9 into 9 into 9. 729. That program is understood by everyone. So we have discussed today programming question number 1, 2 and 3. Please write it in copy and practice. Thank you.